Let's learn and grow. I is for island. Let's make it. First, let's make the outline of the island and some rocks. Now we will make some trees and a volcano. Now some clouds and water around. Let's make a couple of fishes and a dolphin. Now let's color it. Firstly, orange for the sand. Brown on the rocks. Light green for the grass. Light blue for the little pond. Brown and black in the volcano. Orange and red for the lava. Black for the smoke. Now tree trunks with brown. Light and dark green in the leaves. Light and dark blue. Let's blend the colors now. Look at our cool island. It has tall trees, splashing dolphin, and a mighty erupting volcano. That's amazing! Thank you for watching. For more videos, check the links in the description. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.